brightening body lotions are not giving you the results that your skin requires this 2026, then your body washes might actually be the problem. And this is the reason why I am dropping this video on my 5 best effective brightening body washes that will brighten up your skin and take your skin from a 0 to a solid 10. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite Amarachi Favy, and today is the very first day you see me on your screen. You're welcome to my channel, and do not make it to be your last. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and if you're an OG, welcome to another video. Let's talk. I posted a video on the best brightening and effective body lotions, and most of you asked for the body washes you can pair with these body lotions so that they will be very effective on your skin. And I love the fact that you people asked that question, because most of these body lotions have to be activated with a body wash. Okay, you have to pair up a lot of products or some products together for you to be able to achieve that glowy and a brighter looking skin that we all are hoping to achieve this 2026. And I'm going to show you 5 effective body washes, and I'm also going to be telling you what I think about these body washes and the ingredient that they contain, how they work, how quick they work on the skin, and the one that is best for a particular skin concern. So the kind of video is the kind of video that you're looking for. Sit back and let's just dive straight into the video. The very first body wash I'm going to be showing you in this effective body washes that I have with me here would be the one from the SK. This is the SK Duchess Glow Shower Gel. Okay, that is in the variant Blood Orange Blossom. This particular body wash heals and soothes by moisturizing dry skin. Okay, it contains an ingredient called Blood Orange Blossom, which brightens dull looking skin. So if your skin is very dull and also dry, and you're looking for a body wash that would help to moisturize and hydrate your skin and also brighten up your dull looking skin, then I will highly recommend this particular body wash here from SK. Okay, it also contains SPF of 30, but I always recommend that you only use it at night. Do not use it during the day because of the powerful ingredients that it contains. One thing I like about it is that you're going to see fast results when you use it consistently. Okay, so in summary, it is best for dull skin, dry skin, uneven skin tone that want to even out their skin and also have a brighter looking skin. So the second brightening body wash that I'm going to recommend for you in this video has to be from the Dr. Teals. This is the Dr. Teals body wash with pure epsom salt. Okay, this is combination of glow and radiance. So if you want to glow up and you want to have a radiant skin, then this is the one that you should lean towards, because it contains vitamin C and citrus essential oils, which helps to promote glowy and youthful skin. Its main ingredients are shea butter, aloe vera, vitamin E, which helps to hydrate your skin. Vitamin E is that one antioxidant that is very powerful when it comes to hydrating your skin. And there is no how your skin can glow if your skin is not hydrated. A dry, ashy and flaky skin is not equivalent to a glowy skin. It cannot be found in such sentence. Okay, so it will gently cleanse your skin and also lock in moisture. Like I said, it contains shea butter, meaning that it's not going to strip your skin of essential oil, and also it contains vitamin C, which will generally brighten up your skin. This particular body wash is for sensitive skin and also an uneven skin tone that wants to even out their skin complexion and just glow up in general. So the third body wash that I'll be recommending for you, as you can see, I have a very big smile on my face because this one is very powerful when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation and stubborn dark spots on the skin. And there is no how you can be saying that you want a glowy skin and your skin is battling with hyperpigmentation and stubborn dark spots. And this particular wash is from the brand Advanced Korea. This is the Advanced Korea Bright and Clear Body Gel Wash. Okay, this helps to improve a brighter skin complexion and repair pigmentation in few wash. Okay, if you use it consistently, obviously this particular wash targets hyperpigmentation and and uneven skin tone. So if you are dealing with body hyperpigmentation or body dark spots, okay, that may be as a result of body acne on your skin, and you have been looking for a particular wash that you can incorporate into your routine that would help you to even them out, then I will recommend this. It contains very good ingredients like sodium hydroxide, licorice extract, which is focused on getting rid of hyperpigmentation and also dark spots. Okay, it also contains papaya extract, which will help to brighten up your skin. It contains mulberry leaf extract, which will also help to brighten up your skin as well. Then it contains hyaluronic acid, which means your skin will draw in moisture. Your skin will not be dehydrated or looking dehydrated when you are using this particular wash. In conclusion, it is best for hyperpigmentation skin, dull looking skin, and uneven skin tone. Okay, so if you are struggling with all these together, I will recommend that you go for this particular body wash. So the next body wash I'm going to be showing you in this video is known for its best exfoliating properties, which is the Vit Gold amino acid and glycolic acid body wash. My clients who have recommended the particular body washes to, they love and keep asking for this Vit Gold because of its powerful ingredient. It contains two powerful exfoliants, which is the amino acid and the glycolic acid. The particular wash, okay, is a triple times 3, okay, extra whitening shower gel. It does not really whiten, but it's going to brighten up your skin. I usually recommend this particular wash for those who are struggling with chronic body hyperpigmentation and also chronic body dark spots. Okay, maybe the dark spot was as a result of mosquito bites, chicken pox, or any kind of thing that happened on your body and it gave you spots, and you've been trying to treat those spots and the spot is not going away. Then I will recommend this particular body wash for you. It also has a pH of 5.5, meaning that your skin pH is going to be normal. Okay, and I would recommend that you don't use this wash every night. Okay, it is not an every night wash because, like I said, it contains two powerful exfoliants that will help to exfoliate your skin. One thing I like about this wash is that it's going to keep your skin clean and also exfoliate your skin, open up your skin pores, so that your skin pores will be open for the products that are going to apply later to just go straight into your skin pores and do the job. Once the skin pores is blocked or stuck or closed, there is no how these products that you're going to be using will work. But this is an exfoliant that would also open up your skin pores. Okay, it focuses on clearing blemishes, aging, black spots, wrinkles. It also contains SPF 30, but like I said, I only recommend you use this at night and split the days you're going to use it, maybe 4 times in a week or 3 times in a week, depending on your skin condition. Okay, so I will highly recommend this for people that have a rough skin, hyperpigmentation, chronic hyperpigmentation, chronic dark spots, chronic uneven skin tone, and strawberry legs. If you are struggling with strawberry legs, okay, those tiny rough bumps on your legs, and you want them to be smooth, then I will recommend that you lay your hands on this amazing body wash. And last but not the least, okay, on my brightening body washes, I have to be from this brand Cosmo. This is Cosmo Glow White Body Wash. You guys are aware when I use particular body wash on my skin as well, and you guys saw the radiance that the body wash gave to me as of then. This is the Skin Perfector. This is the one that I personally used, okay, and the particular one contains niacinamide, which focuses on getting rid of excessive oil on your skin and also closing up your skin pores in case if you have large visible pores on your skin. And it also contains hyaluronic acid, which will help to lock in moisture, so it will not strip your skin of its natural barrier, okay, or your skin barrier will be broken. No, it doesn't do something like that. Contains alpha arbutin niacinamide, which also helps to fade dark spots. The alpha arbutin will help to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation on your skin. It brightens your skin. You see, the particular wash is a brightening body wash. There's nothing that anybody can tell me I saw visible changes when I use this exact body wash. So I would recommend this for those that have hyperpigmentation, dull skin, okay, those that want a daily brightening. You want to still be brightening up your skin, maybe you already achieved the results that you want and you still want to maintain it. I'll recommend the particular wash for you. So these are my 5 brightening washes of 2026. Okay, I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. I want to know if they were worth the wait, okay, or if you have used any of these body washes, or if you are currently using any of these body washes. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if you have watched particular point of the video. Remember that consistency is key when you want to achieve a glowy skin. You have to be consistent and you have to be extremely patient. Okay, you don't just want to have a glow up just in 24 hours. It cannot work that way. Remember to subscribe, like, share, turn the notification bell, and most importantly, share, and share. Okay, and the most important one, okay, is for you to shop authentic skincare products from Skin Trust store. Okay, because all these products are authentic and super original and effective. So when you get your effective one, it will help you to achieve that effective result that you're hoping to achieve. Or if you want us to create a routine for you, you can also slide into their DM. The number will be in the description box. Remember to stay glowy and bye.